Also, why your face make long like that? Everything be okay?
See, for 2 days, you no go feel work.
How?
I have to clean his pistons and chamber. Oh, just using bad fuel.
Also.
Oh, Ben. The price, no, it be lower.
You go pay.
Are they Oppo? Hey. What man feeling?
Oppo say. This guy, that's what ding.
Hello, please, you are welcome.
Thank you. Fill it. Chegum.
I said also this
One word. Petrosol. Look, I never knew my engine could sound so good.
Wow. Now you know. Now you know.
Yes.
You see? The kind of fuel you put into your car is very critical.
Yes.
Not only for the health of your car, but for your own well-being. Choose clean quality fuel. Choose Petrosol. Petrosol, yeah. Petrosol.